Integral University, Lucknow. Inspiring excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Shahabuddin, Assistant Professor at Integral University, Lucknow. Dear students, I am here to give you a brief introduction about the course Mercantile Law. In this course, we will study in depth Indian Contract Act, Indian Partnership Act, Sales of Goods Act, Environment Protection Act. Dear students, I would like you to know that in order to operate a business, contract between two or more parties is very crucial. Although contract can take place anywhere, but in a business concern, it is important for both the parties to enter into a contract for further operation and to protect each other's rights and interests. The basic purpose of contract law is to provide a framework within which individuals can freely contract. Dear students, there are various benefits of studying mercantile law. The first one is it will provide you a clarity in business relationships, agreements and rights of the parties. You can avoid potential contract disputes and litigations. It will prevent you in misinterpretations of communication and agreements, and you will learn how to protect intellectual property, real property and asset values. Dear students, the objective of this course is to provide a general introduction to the legal environment that affects individuals, business and business transaction. The syllabus consists of 40 contact hours and you will be given 4 credits on completion of this course. This course is divided into 5 units, and in the whole syllabus you will study Indian Contract Act, Indian Partnership Act, Sales of Goods Act and Environmental Protection Act. In addition to the end semester examination, you are supposed to give 2 quizzes, 2 assignments and 2 mid-semester examination. This was the brief about the course from my side. Thank you so much.